5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
Hey!
Hello family, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sidako. We've met again anyway, I say Shibium. So today I have a personality on the show and I've known her to be a songwriter and a musician, gospel musician, yeah. And all of a sudden on Facebook, I've been seeing her doing this shit. And this shit was published in BBC Good Food magazine. Man, this is amazing. So not wasting much time, I'll call Sister Ruth to come and yeah. Yeah.
Hey.
What was that? Cool.
Hello.
Yeah, so this is Sister Ruth. Please, can you introduce yourself to my people?
Hey, this is Ruthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they call me Ruth. Yeah, but I'm Ruthy anyway. I'm a mom of 2.
Yes,
and I'm still a gospel artist.
Okay.
But it's been a while since I brought
Yeah, it's been a while, yeah.
And I'm an entrepreneur and also an advocate.
Okay, so you fed it all, yeah. So what will we be doing for us today?
Today,
Yeah.
I'll be doing, you know we have...
I think, come on this side, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You know we have Ruthy's best sauce already.
Yeah, I call. This is the shit that I was talking about.
Yes.
Yeah, you see, everything is like labeled. Hey, linking. We're
still working on it. So today I'll be doing Ruthy's best fried rice.
Fried rice, wow.
Yeah, it's a different type of fried rice, very healthy. Also the fish, everything is very healthy.
Okay.
Because normally, fried rice in what I'm going to.
Yeah, sochi.
Yes, sochi. It's too oily, but this one, very little bit of oil, so that when they feel that you're healthy.
Yeah. So this is the reason why I keep bringing different people on the show because Obiana the way or for the days and the tips is different. So mine might be helpful, and other mine you might not like mine, but if you're on your
Yes.
So okay, so what do you have here?
We have Ruthy's best sauce, of course. Then we have maggie arome. Then we have some prawns here. We have veg, onions, and some pepper.
Okay.
We have oil, we have seasoning, we have rice, and we have fish.
Okay, fish.
So
is that red fish?
Yeah, it's red fish.
Okay. It looks very simple.
Yeah, very simple. Everything is really very simple. If you like eating and you are hungry, you can do it quick.
Yeah, because fried rice is, I know it's very complicated food, but the ingredients over here look very simple.
That's right.
Simple to me to know.
Because me, I'm simple, but
I'm on board with a friend then. Yeah.
So kukunkaka, we put. I'm gonna do.
Okay.
So guys, remember to wash your hands always before you start cooking.
I'm bro, hard, you know. And I'm just washing my hands also.
I had this, so I'm putting water already in. So this is gonna be for my fish, okay? Because I'm going to boil the fish.
It's one year on the man.
Yeah, 1 year on the man.
Okay.
Fish in my wash and I've washed it already.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put them inside. And I'm gonna put a little bit of onion while they're steaming.
Okay, steam, okay.
Yeah. And I'm going to put mix seasoning. I'm seasoning the baby aloko.
Okay.
So,
also one here.
No.
Okay.
But say or your normal season, but I mix it.
Okay. Okay.
So what season? The season that you like, you put it inside. Okay.
Okay.
So you put the seasoning inside. That's it. And remember to cut the fish. Fish na you try kakra so that you know the ingredients and the can go inside very well. So that's it. Then I put the pepper, so I've cut it so that
okay.
That too. So that's it really for the fish and leave it to boil.
Okay. I ain't cover that.
So that I see what's going on.
No, okay.
Let's start with the fried rice. Okay. See, yeah, so
hey, hellfire.
You put a little bit of oil, yeah? The onion the onion, a lot of things will come with it. Like
sure.
Okay. So you put the prawns inside. Into there, Me chicho. I want to fry the prawn a little bit.
Fantina chicho is it?
Emma, you won't let it like
too much, yeah.
Just a little bit, yeah. And you put your seasoning.
Okay.
Right. Just a little bit, yeah.
Okay, what do you have?
Take everything out.
Okay.
Try and take the prawns out.
I think like 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to. I want to say got the Chinese food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
white no. Okay, same. Yeah.
After that, show some more. You can do it, fry it more, but okay. I want it like this.
Okay.
We forgot to
add the eggs.
Add the eggs, but you have to. That's how I do my eggs anyway.
Okay.
I will add this to it.
Okay, the veggies, okay.
The veggies to the egg. So this is it, guys.
Okay.
Now what I do is I add the prawns to it.
Okay. So right now I think there's salt in Yanko inside, right?
I mean for salt in
Yes,
I don't
okay.
use salt. All that I use
is the seasoning, spice, okay. Okay.
And it's even safer sometimes, you know.
Into this your friend, Ruthy's fried rice.
Ruthy's best fried rice.
Okay, yeah.
So basically,
it's our kodo.
It's all the 9. Why it's all the tasting it? You know, so.
We'll be taste for next one.
Or they taste. Yeah.
Timo.
So the fish is going. I want it to be on it forever. You can steam it for like 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Depend on the temperature.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
But the dema, you know, it's
a good grill, no.
Yeah, it's better.
Sure.
So as I said, you can even eat this in the morning like breakfast. And you see that I didn't use much oil. It's the same oil that I've used for everything. Yeah. So that's it. And I put some of my seasoning.
Okay, this is the buffer, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Busiafo, we've done with our simple fried rice, healthy, fast food.
That's right.
Ruthy's fast food. Hey, we have to see the steps and the steps. Hey, that American can. After we've seen the process, you know, you can do this for yourself as well. A very simple thing.
Yes.
It will look delicious. You want delicious will look. But your brother side if you frame nimu ye no who there ye taste ben no. But other me judge share. I always the kind at to free.
Judge the sauce as well.
First, yeah. Spice no like salt no I for BBI seasoning no. As if there then she go man kasa but she nan kasa you
see?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think? Taste the prawn as well.
Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Ujanalo, ANKAFUL, you know.
Yeah, I'm hungry, so.
Yeah, what's that to change?
What do you think about the fish? It's cooked, it's nice.
Yeah. Very nice. Che, into the fish into the one really simple that because of the spices no emo kono the count into the when the fish until no onion because them the it's them kind of the one really but it look different.
Because onions and very much guma and
it look different like it tastes different so.
That's right.
Yeah.
So try it at home. It's very healthy and
fish. Guy.
Fish sometimes.
Guy, a different method altogether. We see for yeah. Exclusive. They be cooking with the bro. Exclusive things.
Numero uno.
Subscribe to YouTube channel. When I click on the button also, turn on the notification bell. Send a notification anytime your new video will drop. Madam, thank you very much. I want an invitation.
You're welcome.
Make sure
You're welcome.
I appreciate. Yeah, we appreciate.
We appreciate. Please, unfollow Insta.
Yeah, what's your channel? You know, yeah.
Follow us on Ruthy's Best Ruthy's. So RUTHYSBEST sauce. So Ruthy's Best sauce.
Oh, Instagram
and Facebook.
Okay, Instagram and Facebook na them business for shooting as no. It's when him say if a shooter link up or Instagram and Facebook. Ruthy's Best shooter and best sauce.
Ruthy's Best sauce.
Yeah, Ruthy's Best sauce. Into a shooter link up. Just send a message DM.
And as you say, will be all what depression and all your sad.
Okay.
They can contact us on speakers.
Okay. See, yeah, or chime in myself because I'm not one. What? Yeah, into the same shit, man. This cooking with Sindako. Yeah, I'm out. For sure. Bye. Well, come on. Wow. You didn't say me, fuck, you're from fuck.